case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Alaska Supreme Court ruled in the 2000 case of Pierce v. Catalina Yachts, Inc. that a limited warranty may be unconscionable when it fails to serve its essential purpose. The case involved sailboat manufacturer Catalina Yachts, which breached a limited warranty to repair a defect in a boat sold to Jim and Karen Pierce. The Pierces sued for breach of warranty and requested consequential damages. Although the trial court dismissed the consequential damages claim, the Pierces appealed and argued that they were entitled to consequential damages despite the warranty provision that barred them. The court agreed and held that since Catalina acted in bad faith when breaching the warranty, it cannot enforce the provision barring consequential damages. The case was then remanded for a trial to determine consequential damages, with the court ruling that the Pierces were entitled to attorney's fees under the Magnuson-Moss Act for Catalina's deceptive practices. The court found Catalina acted in bad faith, making the limited remedy unconscionable. As a result, the previous decision was overturned, and a new trial was ordered to determine the Pierces' compensation for their suffering, with the Pierces being awarded attorney's fees under the Magnuson-Moss Act.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.